One of my international subscribers reached out to me with a question. Is it correct to use int function in Python without any kind of assignment at all? Hi everyone, this is Koca's channel, and ever seen someone call a function in their code and just do nothing with it? Today I'm going to talk about int function, which turns stuff into integers, and why calling it without capturing the result is the same like making a smoothie and then never drinking it. Stick around and I'll show you a quick fix. Let's go! Alright, let's go. Suppose you have a variable like my string is equal to, in quotes, 42, and then you have decided to convert it into an integer using int function. If you just do something like this, call int function without any assignment, then remember, int function never changed the string in place. Even I can prove it. The best way of proving, just let's see the type of my variable. Will it be string or integer? Let me run this code in my terminal and I will see this is a string. It hasn't been changed. After all, even if I try to add 10 to my variable, in return I will get an error. Let me run my code again and you will see there is a problem. Trace back and let's fix it. To fix this problem, you have to just remember that int function returns a new integer and you have to somehow capture it. For example, making an assignment. I create my any variable, for example, my number is equal to int, then it is easy just make math operations and then it is easy just run my code and to see that I've got a new number. So remember folks, don't use just int function without assignment, because at the end you have to grab the result, isn't it? And stick around and happy coding!